From a quality perspective, from our AllSpark batteries, we only use large format resistance match prismatic cells. We don't use cylindrical cells, we don't use pouch cells. We certainly don't use second-hand cells, which the vast majority of cheap batteries on the market are actually operating with. A lot of customers don't understand that a battery, 100 amp hour lithium battery that you buy for $400, $500, $600 is not made with brand new cells. Quite a lot of those products that are out there are made using second-hand recycled cells that have been taken out of a UPS type facility where the batteries that are at the end of its life for that purpose, they then get repurposed, re-stickered essentially, and then put into a new battery for a different application. Those batteries are not going to last for the 5,000 cycles that they're claiming. They're certainly not going to last for the 5 or 6 or 10 years that they are marketing for them. That's why they have much lower warranties. The quality of our batteries use brand new cells, the highest quality materials, using copper busbar connections, laser welding techniques to remove any potential for breakage during high vibration environments, corrugations and the like in Australian off-road conditions. They're terrible for destroying all sorts of components, suspension and electronic components and those sort of things. So we've designed them to be really robust. They last the distance. They're not going to be damaged in off-road conditions. What you get from us is what we claim in our marketing materials. It's proven product that is going to last for a long period of time, and in some applications it may even outlast your vehicle. We've been manufacturing lithium batteries at Off-Road Living since 2017. We've got more than 10,000 batteries have been produced across the Australian market in that time. We have a very high success rate as a result of the high quality components. Within that period of time, we've had less than this sort of number of batteries back under a warranty that have actually genuinely had a problem. 3 of those have been water damaged as a result of incorrect applications for batteries that weren't waterproof, so the wrong applications of those. 2 genuine actual faults of a cell or a BMS. Outside of that, we've got a 100% success rate with our batteries during that 7-year period. That's why we're excited to announce that we're extending the warranty across our entire AllSpark battery range. It was a 5-year full replacement warranty. We now have a 7-year full replacement warranty across the entire AllSpark lithium battery range.